And when we are talking about the diet is very important. One of the reasons why women put on more weight is we keep cooking in the kitchen. So we taste all the dishes. That is one of the main reasons. That means munching in between the meals, whenever we are preparing any kind of meal or snacks, we check for salt and we check for chili, whether it is balanced or not. So we keep munching. So this habit makes us put on more and more calories. When we are doing this, insulin is active all the time. So when this is happening, automatically we are adding up more calories, and that's how we are putting on more weight. Another reason why we put on more weight is especially during the dinner time, we cook with so much love and affection. So कुछ सब्जी बच जाता है तो we don't feel like throwing it, so we feel अरे कोई भी आप लोग खाओ. When nobody is ready to eat, you feel अरे why to throw it, let us eat. So they eat. So this is also one of the reason why we are taking up more calories.
Extra calories are going inside.
Instead of throwing out, we are putting inside our body. So this is adding up more calories. Okay. So our activity and metabolism starts early in the morning with the sunrise, and it gets off with the sunset. This is a thumb rule you need to remember. Okay. Our activity in the body starts with the sunrise and ends with the sunset. So in the same way, you have to take calories also more in the morning, and you have to diminish towards the evening. So let us suppose that you have got up early in the morning. I don't give you much options, because these days availability of the food is also more, and we are taking so many things inside, because everybody will ask, मैडम ये करने के लिए या ये कम करने के लिए क्या खाना चाहिए. सब लोग यही पूछते हैं कि क्या ज्यादा लेना चाहिए. कोई भी ये नहीं पूछते हैं कि क्या बंद करना चाहिए या क्या खाना नहीं चाहिए. कोई ये नहीं पूछते हैं, because people wants to take something so that something will happen in the body. So we are adding more calories. So people take some juice in the morning at 7, something at 9 o'clock, then again they take something at 11 o'clock in between, then they take the lunch, then again 4 or 5 o'clock something. So first of all, try to avoid too many meals or too many snacks or too many drinks throughout the day. Restrict it. And if you are a housewife, if you doesn't have much physical activity, do not take anything in the morning. Straight away take fruits or vegetables as a breakfast in the morning, because you have processed and simple carbohydrates when you are taking idli, when you are taking dosa, when you are taking any kind of dokla or any kind of cooked meal when you are taking as a breakfast. You are taking them as a simple form. It is indirectly pre-digested form, but try to take the complex proteins and carbohydrates as your breakfast. So you can take, like if you doesn't want to take fruits and vegetables, and we have to add or supplement or alter with high protein breakfast. Like you can take some baked beans. So many kind of beans are there which can be soaked overnight. You can cook them or steam them in the morning, and you can take them as breakfast. You can sprout your moong sprouts or any other 5 to 6 varieties of sprouts which will come, मतलब अंकुरित दाना जो बोलते हैं. So वो sprouted दाना को आप steam करके with onions, tomatoes and everything season करके भी ले सकते हैं सुबह में. That is one of the healthiest breakfast you can take. So काबुल चना भी ले सकते हैं. नॉर्मल चना, हमारा देसी चना जो है वो भी आप सोक करके आप स्टीम करके उसके साथ में ले सकते हैं. So you take proteins as your breakfast instead of more of simple carbohydrates. No, I am not of that much working woman, so I don't need much calories. If you say, then you can go for simple fruits, but take only 2 types of fruits per one time. Okay, don't mix 4 or 5 varieties of fruits, only 2 fruits at a time. You can take them in the morning, or you can take vegetables as a salad, or you can just make a smoothie with fruits or vegetables and take in the morning 1 glass. That will be very refreshing and very good. Okay, so after this, then comes your lunch. In between, only if you are really weak, if your body demands that it wants something to take, if you are weak, and then only you can take. So when you are taking this in between, try to make it very simple as possible. You can take nariyal ka pani, you can take 1 fresh glass of buttermilk, or you can take just low calorie fruits and vegetables like orange, just eating, no juice, and cucumber. So like that, you can take only one, and that too only if you are hungry. And let us come to the meal. Try to have your meal between 12 to 2. Don't go beyond 2 o'clock. Okay. These times are very important because only if we maintain these timings, the hormones are released in a very rhythmical manner in our body. So try to keep your lunch time between 12 to 2 o'clock. Actually, in all the naturopathy centers, we provide lunch at between 10 to 11 o'clock only. That is the
11.
only time we provide. And evening, 6 o'clock is
6
the time.
o'clock.
These are the only 2 times we provide meals. And that is how our ancient people and our elders at home, you ask your dadi, nani, whoever is there at your home, you can ask, they eat only 2 times a day. सुबह 9-10 बजे खाते हैं तो शाम को 6 बजे खाते हैं. That's why they are more healthier than what we are today.
Yes,
So
right.
restrict your time. When you are taking, see that you have your meal contains 40% of vegetables and only other 40% of some grains in the form of whole grains. So if you take rice, take in the form of whole rice. And if you take wheat, take in the form of whole wheat. Okay. Or you can take millets. Millets is one of the best choice. You can go for ragi, you can go for rajma, bajra. So all these
Bajra.
things you can take in the meals in any form. Okay. And take more of the vegetables, but see that they are not too much fried and there is no too much oily food you are taking. And curd is another choice. Curd, if you are a vegan, you can skip the curd, but if you can go with the curd, curd is one of the best thing. It acts as both prebiotic and probiotic, which will improve good gut bacteria in your body. So that indirectly will stimulate the hormone regulation. So
Right.
that will also be very healthy for you. So you can take a curd. But if you are already overweight, I will advise you to go for buttermilk instead of curd. Buttermilk can be made with 1 portion of curd, adding with 3 portions of water and churn it properly, and then you can take it. So that is the buttermilk you can take in during the lunch, maybe around snacks time or something you can take. Okay. And remember to squeeze a lemon in whatever sabji you eat, wherever you eat, any time of your meal. Try to squeeze 1 lemon in your सब्जी. सो दोपहर को लेते हैं या सुबह लेते हैं, शाम को लेते हैं, नींबू निचोड़ के खाने से क्या होता है कि आपका एक्स्ट्रा कैलोरीज बढ़ नहीं जाती है और आपका खाने में या आपका वेजिटेबल्स में जो भी आपका न्यूट्रिएंट्स है वो बॉडी को अच्छी तरह से मिल जाते हैं. सो ट्राई टू ऐड लेमन इनटू योर डाइट. एंड इवनिंग अगर ज्यादा आपको खाना नहीं है, मतलब आप भूख नहीं है, तो आप हर्बल टी ले सकते हैं. यू कैन मेक इट विथ स्पाइसेस लाइक पुदीना, तुलसी, जिंजर मतलब अदरक और काली मिर्च के साथ में आप हर्बल टी ले सकते हैं. दिस विल ओवरऑल, दिस एक्ट्स एज बोथ द वेज. दिस विल इंप्रूव योर इम्यूनिटी बाय डिटॉक्सिफाइंग योर बॉडी. So you can take that either in the morning or in the evening. You can even take twice a day. That is wonderful to boost your immunity and protects you from infections, several kind of infections, including corona right now. And if possible, try to restrict your dinner time by 6. So if you might wonder, अरे 6 तो हमारा snacks का time होता है, हम पकोड़ा, बज्जी, मिर्ची खाते हैं और मैडम तो खाना खाने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. And if you are actually believe that your body should be very healthy and you are the pillar of your family. So ladies or women are the pillars or the backbone of the family. So if you are healthy, your entire family will be healthy. So if you want to be healthy, you stick on to this time. Otherwise, let me give you a little bit lenience. So you can even go up to 7:30 or maximum 8. Don't go beyond that. So 6 o'clock, you can have a good meal with maybe pulka without oil, or you can go for any kind of millets. You can go with boiled or, cooked vegetables. So wonderfully, you can go with that. That's not a problem. And try not to take any oily foods or any fried foods during the dinner time. And try to avoid curd during the dinner. And try to avoid citrus fruits also during the dinner time. So there are many studies which say that these kind of foods may cause certain imbalance of three doshas in your body. So let us not go into such diets during the dinner time. So if you are eating before 8 o'clock, it's wonderful. But maybe because of some reason, it is beyond 8 o'clock, let us say. stop eating dinner that day, no problem. Your body will get rest. Take one fruit or maybe one vegetable or maybe one bowl of soup. That will be wonderful detoxifying and eliminating diet which you can add to your body. So this way you can end your dinner by 8 o'clock and start your morning meal by 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, so that your body should get absolute 12 hours rest. So this is very necessary to reduce your body weight if you want to be very healthy and very fit. There is one more thing in the diet which I want to tell you, that अगर आपको बॉडी वेट अच्छी तरह से कम करना है और उसको मेंटेन भी करना है, मतलब हफ्ते में एक दिन उपवास कीजिएगा. फास्ट once in a week. So you can fast with just plain water. You can fast with lemon juice with honey. So you can take 4 lemon juices or 6 lemon juices throughout the day, 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. So like that you can distribute the number of glasses and take lemon juice. So during this time, the whole energy will be diverted towards detoxification. आपका बॉडी में दूसरा जो भी इन्फेक्शंस है वो भी पूरी तरह से निकल जाते हैं और आपका वेट भी पूरी तरह से कम हो जाती है. Why we are putting on more weight? Why youngsters are putting on more weight? Main reason is that majorly because we all have become changed our lifestyle. We all have become late eaters. Late night dinners करते हैं, late night जागते हैं. 11 बजे 12 बजे 1 बजे तक हम जागते हैं तो पढ़ते हैं या कंप्यूटर के सामने कुछ काम करते हैं. We keep working. So during this time what is happening? We are hungry, right? So we keep eating and doing some work, till 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. And we sleep early in the morning. We are getting up 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock in the morning. So when this is happening, automatically our hormones are disbalanced because our melatonin is disturbed. This leads to disturbed metabolism in the body. So first आप lifestyle change कीजिएगा. सही टाइम पे सोना, सही टाइम पे उठना बहुत जरूरी है. So when you get up early and when you sleep early, this will automatically regularize your hormones. And eat at right time every day. So कभी कभी हफ्ते में एक बार या 15 दिन में एक बार आपका आधा घंटा इधर उधर हो जाता है तो it's okay, not a problem. But every day you should not change your time. One day you eat at 11 o'clock, then one day you eat, next day you eat at 1 o'clock, then another day. So don't change your timings like that. Eat in the same time, sleep in the same time, and drink plenty of water throughout the day, but not during the eating. So this will automatically regularize your hormones and regularize your metabolism. It will detoxify liver and it will balance your hormones. In that way, you can be very healthy. There are simple naturopathy treatments which will actually make you feel better and lose weight also. जैसे हम कटी स्नान बोलते हैं, स्पेशली लेडीज को आफ्टर डिलीवरी हमारा पेट के बल, मतलब पेट के सराउंडिंग में और कमर में ज्यादा वेट एक्यूमुलेट,
वेस्ट सर्कमफ्रेंस बढ़ जाता है,
वेस्ट सर्कमफ्रेंस ज्यादा हो जाती है. इसको हम सेंट्रल ओबेसिटी बोलते हैं. सो इस सेंट्रल ओबेसिटी को हम कम करना है, मतलब we can go for cold packs. There are cold packs, so which you can wrap around your abdomen, that will reduce your weight, and which are actually मसाज. आप कभी आपके पास नेचुरोपैथी सेंटर्स है तो आप मसाज ले लीजिएगा. स्वीडिश मसाज या नेचुरोपैथिक मसाज जो होता है वो हम आपके कंडीशन के हिसाब से करते हैं. सो यू विल डेफिनेटली रिड्यूस योर वेट, सो द फैट मोबिलाइज हो जाती है. एंड अनदर थिंग वी कैन डू कटी स्नान, जो मैं बोल रही हूँ. कटी स्नान एक टब होता है, उसमें ठंडा पानी में बैठना होता है. आपके पास अगर कटी स्नान नहीं है तो भी जैसे टब होती है जिसमें कपड़ा धोते हैं या बच्चों को नहलाते हैं, वैसे टब में भी आप ठंडा पानी भर के उसमें खाली पेट सुबह शाम को दोनों टाइम कम से कम 20 से आप 40 मिनट उसमें बैठ सकते हैं. उससे भी आपको वेट कम हो जाती है. And stop eating in between the meals and stop nibbling and stop munching, and don't go for any food that comes from the factory. What do you mean by food that comes from the factory? बिस्किट्स हो गया, ब्रेड हो गया, आपका पास्ता, नूडल्स, आपका जो भी आप पैकेज्ड फूड्स आप लाते हैं जो फैक्ट्री में बनता है वो सब बंद कीजिएगा. And take anything which comes from the nature, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, you can take in a plenty way, no problem. So in that way, try to give more of complex carbohydrates and proteins to your body. So you will be able to balance your weight properly and you will be able to maintain also. That becomes very easy. So don't delay. Start today only. There is no tomorrow. Start today to start with the diet and start with your wonderful yoga exercise. There are many people who are teaching online yoga. We are also teaching online yoga. We take actually, we are conducting online weight reduction programs also. So you can go to Maitri Yoga Nature Cure Center and find all these details. So with this, what happens? Sitting at home, you can reduce your weight. Sitting at home, you can maintain your weight. Sitting at home, you
Yeah.
can be very healthy and happy.
Thank you, Dr. Samira Reddy. Very well explained all the things. I am happy you have covered all the points, and I am very happy that Dr. Samira Reddy has given beautiful explanation about how the obesities it can be managed. So you can consult for the detailed diet plans as well as for some yoga techniques, which will help you to maintain throughout the life. How we can just guide you, but the ultimate thing is you have to do it for yourself. मैं और डॉक्टर समीरा रेड्डी आपके सब क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स देंगे. वी आर रेडी टू हेल्प यू फॉर द ओबेसिटी मैनेजमेंट थ्रू नेचुरोपैथी मीन्स. तो अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है, जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि इनके भी कुछ ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम चल रहे हैं, आप मेरे नंबर पे भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आई विल convey the messages to her, and we are happy to help you all in this journey of fitness. So thank you all. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you all. Thank you, Dr. Samira. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, all of you. Thank you, Dr. Ram.